A dinosaur cake. It's a dinosaur cake. It's a dinosaur cake. Hey, it's a dinosaur cake today, and we have a brontosaurus with a baby brontosaurus. And this isn't just any cake, it is for my right hand, my brain, my executive assistant, my person who is going on maternity leave, and I don't really know what I'm going to do. Rebecca, if you have ordered a cake from me, you've probably interacted with her. She is the absolute best. And she's having a baby. She's having a baby girl, and she had a baby shower that was dinosaur themed, and their nursery is dinosaur themed. How cute is that? And so she wanted this cute little mommy and baby brontosaurus cake. It was on their invitation, this specific kind of image. And so I'm making it like super, like, I don't know, dinosaur camouflage color. And their whole theme is like green. She's super fun. She's not super girly, but of course, I think that, whenever somebody's like, I'm having a girl, but I'm not super girly, that one ends up wearing like, pink tutus and rainbow glitter, whatever. That's what happened to my niece anyway. And so lots of greenery and eucalyptus on it. So it's green on green on green. But I think it turns out really fun, very cute. Look at this cake. I absolutely love it. I love doing dinosaur cakes, y'all. I think that they are the absolute best. Tell me what you think in the comments.